Okay, so what is hacking? Hacking is being able to do anything that you're not allowed or supposed to do. So, for example, viewing any page that you don't have permission to, viewing information that you don't have permission to, or even hacking into a computer or gaining access to any other computer. You're simply just controlling or using another computer that you're not allowed to use. So there's so many different types of hacking. So you have email hacking, computer hacking, server hacking, web application hacking, so many different types of fields. Anytime you manage to do something you don't have permission to, then that's hacking. So there is three different types of hackers. We have black hat hackers, white hat hackers, and gray hat hackers. The black hat hackers are ones that hack into systems for their own benefit. So these are the ones that steal money or break systems just for their own benefit. Then you have the white hats who try to secure systems. They might use the same methods used by black hat hackers, but they'll only do it on systems that they have permission to. So they only do it in order to see if these systems are vulnerable so they can actually fix these systems. And we also have gray hat hackers, which are like a mix of the both. They will test any systems they want, even if they don't have permission to hack into networks or systems. They'll try to do it anyway. But once they do hack into things, they'll not break anything. They won't steal any money. They won't cause any damage. They might even tell the administrators how to fix it. So in this course, we're actually white hat hackers, and I'm only teaching this for educational purposes only, and for people who want to be able to secure their networks and who work as or want to work as pen testers so they can secure computer systems. So hacking is an existing field. There's so many job opportunities, and it's happening. There's a growing demand on it. It's happening every day. We all heard about the Sony hack when PlayStation was down for a considerable amount of time. So companies like Sony and all of them are actually hiring people to try and hack into them. So you're gonna learn how to try and hack into these networks and these systems so that you can secure them, so that you know how the black hats use these vulnerabilities and weaknesses and secure yourself against them. Not so long ago, someone found a way of brute forcing the restore password key when you restore your password with Facebook, because Facebook didn't check for the amount of times that you enter a wrong PIN. So someone found a way to brute force that on the mobile website and then gain access to any Facebook account. Once they did that, they actually told Facebook about it, and they got rewarded $20,000 because Facebook has a bug bounty program. So many websites and companies at the moment have bug bounties in which they're actually asking people to go in and try to hack into them. And if you manage to do it and tell them how to do it, then they'll actually pay you an amount of money depending on how dangerous the exploit is.